What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an alarm that repeats every day or whatever days that you customize it to repeat on inside of iPhone on the clock app. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably already set an alarm before, but if you have school or work or something that sets at the same exact time every day that you'll need to wake up for it, it can be quite annoying to have to set it every single night, and sometimes you'll forget and you might just accidentally sleep over your time that you set. But what you're going to do is it's actually super simple to create a repeating alarm. You are going to have to create a new one here, but just set it to the time that you want it to repeat for. I'm going to go with 5 a.m. on this one. And then there's 4 little options right below that. And the one at the top is repeat. You just click on that and it takes you to this menu here. And you could just select whichever ones you want. You could select multiple at a time and deselect whenever you want. So like if you had school or something, you could just select all the days Monday through Friday. Leave Saturday, Sunday blank, and you have it set as the alarm. And you could also see once you have this alarm set, under the time for the alarm, it says alarm, every day. So you could still disable this, even if it's an alarm for every day. You'll still be able to disable it. In my school example there, if you're on summer break or whatever, you could just easily disable it right until the next school year. That is exactly how you create a repeating alarm on your iPhone. If you had any questions on how to do this or how it works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.